Hey guys, well, you are watching KP Public School and this is our virtual classroom. And this is our session 8 of class 9th, my dear students. And in this, basically, we are going to understand the bulleted and numbered, lists. So, lists are a part of our, everyday documentations, like a list of books required in the library, a list of products to be purchased from the store, a list of students in the school, and etc. like that. Such list needs to the numbered, vertically, and a list can, alternatively have bullets also. So a number is a dot or any other symbols that is placed before the text, such as items in a list. So to add emphasis, Microsoft Word provides facilities to automatically create bulleted and numbered list as you types. Okay, so bulleted or number can also be added quickly and existing lines of the text, saving a lot of time. So there are different bullets and number formattings are there, basically used in Microsoft Word, helping you to create amazing documents. So is it up to you to example your creativity using them at the right place. So example of the numbering format, numbering such like number, Roman, and in a character form ABC, like, and bulleted including dots and other stars, right symbols, and etc. So multi-level numbering and bullets is what? Multi-level listings means nested lists. You can need to type the list with the tabs and denote the differences in labels. So Microsoft Word automatically set the different bullets or numbers for each labels. So how we can just do it as a practical, my dear students? Here I'm just going to explore my Microsoft Word. So here I'm just typing Microsoft Word 2010. So here's the Microsoft 2010, and here is the in paragraph, basically home. In home tab having a paragraph group, exactly. In this having all these things. So this is a bullet having dots, circles, squares, and other arrows and right symbols are there. While in numbers having these things 1, 2, 1, ABC, and Roman, exactly what you want to exactly. So I'm just choosing here number, like I'm just going to maintain a student's list. The first is Mohan, enter. It will automatically assign to the next value, which is exactly, okay. So here's the Ram, second one is SANJY, etc. like that. If you want to just change this particular numbers according to another symbols, so you can choose and whatever. So I'm just going to increase the size so that easily you can take the proper experiences like that. Arrow systems, right symbols, dots, circles, squares, and other things, whatever you want to in bullets. In number systems, exactly, this is number system. Numbers having number brackets, Roman, ABCD, small, and these things. So basically this particular fundamental is described that how we can assign the bullets and numbered lists if we are just working on the particular specific listing type of documents, exactly, okay. So as we have done all these things, we have just seen all these things, how we can just create such like this type of number systems and bullet systems are there. So creating the numbers and bullets list are there. You have to go to the home tab. In home, basically paragraph groups having all these things where you can assign the numbers and the bullets, numbering library here and bullet library here. You can assign as you want, exactly, okay. So here the self-assessments related to this particular session, my dear students. So here the multiple choice question. So what a bullet is dot और एनी अदर सिंबल्स. तो जब आप बुलेट चूज करते हैं तो वहां पे आपको डॉट्स या फिर अदर सिंबल्स के द्वारा आप अपनी किसी पर्टिकुलर वन बाय वन चीजों को डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, मतलब सीक्वेंस असाइन कर सकते हैं, एंड मल्टी लेवल लिस्टेड मींस अ नेस्टेड लिस्ट. multi-level lists mean nested list. The right answer is nested. In A, bullet is right answer. So here the some questions are there. Basically, state the use of bullets. State the use of bullets. So I'm just going to state the use of bullets exactly. So here they state the use of bullets. State the use of bullets. A bullet is a dot or any other symbols that is placed before the text such as item in list to add the emphasis. And Microsoft Word automatically provides the automatic create the bullet or number list as you type. So or here, otherwise here's the type the here's the steps to assign the bullet or numbers. So this is our right answer as we have learned already. And how do you add the bullet list in the documents? So how we can add the bullets? So here you have to go to the select the item if you are you want to add the bullet or numbers. Basically here you have just targeted the bullets. You haven't just write down the numbering. Okay, click on the home tab and for numbers or bullets, click on the bullets. Here you haven't just write down these things. You have just write down these things. Okay, so for the bullet list in figure like 8b and paragraph groups basically, and easily you can assign. So my dear students, we have just completed our session 8 successfully. So we'll just meet you in the next session. So till then.